Hey, what's up guys? Sloth King here. Today I'm going to be working on my 4Runner. I'm going to be coating the rest of the frame. I coated the front like 3/4 back with a POR15, and then I went through, just got rid of all the rust and just prepped it. So yeah, the front half looks great. This back side, it's just like right where the back tires are back, including the differential and rear axle area. That's pretty much all I need to do. So I'm gonna go under here. I'm gonna start taking everything with a brass wheel, try to get anything that's like loose off, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just start painting. All right guys, first step is to just try to get any loose rust off. So I'm gonna use majority of the brass wheel on the drill to get most of the area, and then I'm gonna take it by hand with a hand brush. Wow, I really can't think today. It's so dang hot, and I look goofy as heck, but make sure you wear some eye protection. Last time I did this on the front, I got rust in my eye. I got the rust neutralizer spray, which I'm gonna show you guys next. I got that in my eye. Oh, that's not fun. So I'm gonna try to film as much as I can. My camera's probably gonna overheat. So yeah, let's get to this. Next step is to, if you guys don't usually wash your undercarriage, make sure you go over it with some degreaser and then wash it off and let it dry fully. And then you add some of this metal prep stuff. So I'm gonna throw it into a spray bottle just like this. It is reusable, but in this case, we can't reuse any of it. So what we're gonna do, it says to saturate the whole, any areas with rust on it for a minimum of 30 minutes. So we're gonna spray underneath there, and then we're gonna wait like 10 minutes and then resaturate it. We're gonna do that about 3 or 4 times until you notice that the rust color is getting, changing a little bit. And then after that, we're gonna go to the car wash and then wash off anything underneath there. Sorry, we got a guy weed eating right now. So anyway, so we're gonna saturate all the rust prone areas, or the rusted areas, with this stuff, and then we're gonna wash it off. We're gonna let it dry, and then we're gonna apply our POR15. So let's get into this. And no, you don't dilute this. You use it just like this. Okay guys, so it's been about, I don't know, 45 minutes or so, 50 minutes since I applied this stuff, and I went over a couple times. So now I have to go drive to the car wash and then just do an undercarriage wash to get most of this stuff off, and then let it dry. So while it's drying, I'm probably gonna stop at the store, do a couple of errands, and then come back here, and then we're gonna apply at least 1 coat of POR15. You wanna do 2. Now that's the rust preventative coating. So as long as I can get 1 coat on there, cause it's gonna rain tomorrow, it'll cure in about like 8 hours or so. Fully cure in about a day or 2. As long as I can get 1 coat on, I can go back over it with a Scotch-Brite, rough up the surface, and then throw another coat on. And that's the instructions from POR15. That's what you can do. Let's go ahead and go do that stuff. let's get that underbody wash. Alright guys, I'm back. The frame is nice and dry. You see how there's like that white coating on there? That's zinc. So that's what's gonna help bind the POR15 to it and neutralize a lot of the rust and keep everything protected. Let's go ahead and start coating. I don't have much time, but it shouldn't take that long to apply all this stuff. Let's do it.
Void.
Alright guys, I got the first coat down. Now I won't have time to apply the second coat tonight, but it's looking pretty good. Way better than it did before. Check out up here. Did the whole frame over on this side. It's kind of dark, really can't see it. Oh, there's a spot there. But yeah, it looks way better than it did before. Now for my second coat, I'm gonna put the enamel top coat on. That's another line that they have. It just makes it like rock solid and like a kind of like a semi-matte finish. And that's what I did with the other part of the frame. But yeah, whenever you go to put your second coat on, if you can't do it the same day, just scuff it up with some like red Scotch-Brite. And then just go ahead and apply that second coat. That's basically how you apply POR15 to your rusted frame. On a better day, I will probably get some better shots of the front underside, but it's been holding up for I think I did it like 4 months ago. It's been pretty well so far. Hey guys, and I also wanted to add in that I did have footage of me coating the front 3/4 portion of the frame on the 4Runner, but the files got corrupted, so you only have me doing the back end, which I mean it's still fine because it's the same process all the way through, but I figured I'd just tell you guys that. So anyway, back to the video. So yeah, if you guys like this video and it helped you a lot, go ahead, leave a like, subscribe to see more videos like these. And if you have a rusted 4Runner frame, now this isn't that bad. I've seen some that are just way worse. But yeah, if you have a frame that looks like this, go ahead, comment below if you've done this process or if you plan on doing it. I'd like to hear some thoughts from you guys. Anyways, take it easy.